explain what this billing feature is in Shopify. So when you see it, you know what it's about. Right, so just click on it and then bring us here. This billing is simply where Shopify has to like bill your account, right? So billing cycle, so paid, paid. Like you would see right now, it's showing paid. I've not renewed it, all right? But as you can see, these are the months. So when they charge you, this is simply where you just come to see your past bills. You can make change to your bill. I can come on here and just change my credit card. I could just change it here, right, to include another one. Assuming your credit card is expired or you don't know where it is, you could just simply click on this and edit, add another credit card. You can have several of them. So what Shopify will do is they will bill all of them. So they'll bill one, they'll bill the primary one. If the primary one does not work, they will sometimes bill the secondary card. But a lot of times you have to change. If you don't have funds in this card and you have funds on another card, you simply just put in the funds you have. Make that other card your primary card. So you can have several cards on here, really, right? So you see my billing is going to expire, or the current cycle, right, is August 21st. Now, if you don't want them to bill you, please, this is also very important. You can make changes to your plan. So let's visit this page. A lot of times you might have money in your card, and before you know it, zoom, your money's out. All right. So please make sure that if you don't want to keep this Shopify account, or you don't want them to keep billing you, make sure you make changes to it. If not, you would keep being charged this money here. All right. This money is the monthly plan that I'm on. So if you do not make changes to this, stop it from happening, you keep getting billed for this. But as you can see, I've been paying. I'm also going to renew it because this is my test shop. I've been using this shop for tutorials as we move forward. So I want to renew it, but I have not. However, I still have some time. This is my billing cycle. So I have when working this video, I have about say a week or thereabout to renew it. So I'm not in a hurry, right? So this is to show you that I talk the talk. If I'm willing to pay $32 to keep this running, you should know that what I'm saying is actually what I do, right? So if you go to that plan settings, you click on plan settings. These are all the plans you have here. You can change plan if you want to. You can cancel plan. So if you don't want them to charge you anymore, you have to do this, guys. You have to cancel plan. If you don't cancel plan, then they're going to charge you, and you're not going to hold them to it. Yes, you could request back that charge, but the process can be very tedious. Just go on Google and type, how can I get a charge back from Shopify, and you see it. But you have to send them a mail, and you have to wait for some days, and don't go through that route. If you're not sure you want to keep on the whole billing process, please cancel it. However, let's assume you've gotten value and you want to change your plan and make it a bit more juicy. All right, you can just simply click on change plan here, and it's going to bring you here and just simply ask you, waiting for it to load up. It's taking forever, but so good. It's going to ask you, so you want to change plan? Where are you changing plan to? Are you changing plan from? Because I'm in the basic plan, right? Currently, I'm in the basic plan, right? But then for my main account, this is the plan I use. Okay, it's asking you, do you want to from here change plan to here, or from here to here, or from here to here? Now this is for guys who are doing like some serious figures. Oh hey me, well, I'm okay here. This is for my main account. This account, like I told you, is because I want to show you how it works. It makes no sense paying too much for it. But this is their basic plan. Like you see, $32. That's what they charge me. But if I was paying annually, I'll be able to pay $27 annually. So if you click here, up here, you see annually, right? So let's click on annually, and you see how it changes. So you see, you're paying $29, right? So everything you need to run your business is here. This is all I have. 10 inventory locations, easy shipping. You could see what I have here. For 10 shipping locations, full online store, sell in person with a phone or a card reader, and 10 inventory locations. This full online store, I have the sell in person, I have the 10 inventory locations, I have the shipping discount insurance, I have 5 staffs account, meaning other people can return my account, which I have people who also work with me on my store. For the advanced plan, you have the same thing, everything you have. You have 15 staff accounts. You have a team customization per market, and you can advance. You have an enhanced 24-hour chat support system that you can put in place, right? Then for the plus, you have all of that. You have 200 inventory. Also, this is for like 10 inventory locations. Then unlimited staff accounts, right? This is like if you have gone, like you're now very big. And trust me, guys, this is where I'm heading to. I'm heading here. Not because of the money here, but because of what it gives here, right? But then if I'm spending 22,000, 22,300, I mean, if I'm spending this amount of money every single month, by year, you understand that obviously I'm making way more money than this, right? So I'm making money here, but not to the point where I'll be paying this amount of money at this moment. But when we grow, or when you grow, you can gradually transit from here to here, and then from here to here, and then from here to here, if you see it necessary. But I really don't think I will personally, all right, pick this option. The reason I'll pick this option eventually is because of this unlimited staff accounts. Because as you grow, you need more hands, right? So remember, you could easily cancel your plan. Guys, say with me, cancel your plan. Do not forget. I have students who just tell me, oh, they create an account, and for $1, and before you know it, money's out. It's because you did not cancel your plan. Cancel your plan, or else you will be billed. Okay, that's how the billing cycle works, right? So that's what this tab is, the billing tab. So if you come on here, $32 every 30 days, as you can see here, $32 every 30 days, right? Pay yearly and save $96 per year. Okay, you can also view subscription down here. Just click on subscription, and it just shows you Shopify subscription, paid ad subscriptions. This is what I have currently going. I don't have any paid ad subscription. That's why it's showing me zero. It's zero installed, right? So, but this is just me showing you all of these things so that you know what you're getting yourself into before you start getting yourself into it. I hope that makes sense. Statement of charge. View a summary of all your Shopify charges for any dates within the next last 90 days. You can just view more like a statement account, that kind of statement your bank gives to you, right? Now, this is all we'll be covering for this video. If you like what you saw, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button, get notified when I drop more videos like this. Watch this next video and see exactly how to set up your payment method when creating your Shopify account. In the next video, we'll be talking about users, right? Users, how to create or adding users to your account. This Catch by Tutors will always want to make you, we always want to help you make money. So help us help you by subscribing to the channel and leave your comments in the comment section, your questions, your idea, your thoughts, and we'll jump on it. Thank you again once more. And don't forget to watch this next video that pops on your screen.